Dude, they're hitting my line. They're not hitting my dang bait. Stop. There you go. There's a frog. Oh, there we go. That's a good little fish. What's up, YouTube? We are back at Lake Guntersville, same spot I left you last. I caught some decent fish that day, so no complaints. Really, it was just so much fun that I have to come back and see if the spot's still turned on. That being said, conditions are so much different today. Last time we were here, 85 degrees, and we had zero wind. Literally zero wind. Today it's 65 degrees, and we got 10 miles per hour wind coming in from the north. So that spot may have turned off. But one thing I didn't mention to you guys last time we were here was there was 4 other spots further down from where I was at. So today, we're gonna hit the first spot like we did last time, and we're gonna see if we can get some fish there. If we're not producing what we want, we're gonna continue on to see what else we can get. But one thing's for sure, I have a lot of confidence in that area. I know it's holding fish. Let's get this boat down, let's get in the water, let's get back to that spot. So here we go. And I got a boat on the spot that we went to last. They're pulled down and they're hanging out. So I'm gonna push into this here because it looks just as beautiful. Same old froggy. Just tied a new knot. Cut some of that braid off so it's nice and fresh, and we're gonna have to be rearranging myself quite a bit with all this wind and current. Yeah, it's pushing me pretty fast. Yeah, it's probably gonna do me best if I get in from that direction over there and pull down, because I'm gonna just inevitably face this direction due to the current from the wind, and that'll at least point me into the vegetation. So let me rearrange myself real quick. Use the current to your advantage, guys, because it's shallow enough water to where I can pull down, and now I'm gonna be facing the direction I need to. Once that pole hits down, since I don't have a front anchor, it's gonna just go boink. It's gonna turn and point me in that direction. Now we just need to determine whether they're still hitting the brown frog or not. I brought all my frogs today, so we'll go ahead and see what they're eating. Whew. Oh, there we go. Got him. I think this is a good fish, guys. Oh, it's a decent little guy. There we go. He's trying his little heart to come off. Oh, he's a tiny little guy. He was in some deep vegetation, though. All right. First one on the board. Got him with the good old brown froggy again. Little tiny guy. Let's get another one. There's some thick vegetation, much more thick than what we were fishing in last time. So even that little guy, he felt like I was reeling in an 8-pounder. All this current from the wind is pushing all this vegetation together, so it's becoming much more thick. There you go. Oh, I pulled it. No, he had it. He freaking had it. That was a much better fish. Dang it. Right here. Let's see if he'll hit it again. I doubt it. I had a hook in him. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's pulling. Oh, he burrowed down. Oh, there he is. He's out. Oh, he's a little guy. Might be another gar the way he's doing this. I don't know, man. It's a decent little bass, I think. Is there a bass in there? Munched. Just a little 1-pounder. Yeah, he got caught up in this and had to rip him through that. Damn. Let's just get this. Yep, it's a little guy. So clean up this garden salad real quick. All right, let's move spots real quick and let's go see if we can get another one. All right, guys, let's see if a little bit of a spot change. I just came down a bit, not too far, but I'm coming from a different angle now. And if I can't produce anything here, I have another little spot that I can kind of sneak into and pull down like I just did. Get into the surface. Got him. Little guy. Man, he ate that thing. Got him pretty good. Just munched it. There you go, buddy. Dang. Big old fish just smashed surface. Oh, fish just hit surface over there. One more cast and we're moving. There's a lot of activity going on down there. That's the 5th blow up I've seen, and that was a good quality blow up. It's time to make a move. Back to where we started. Dude, they're hitting my line. They're not hitting my dang bait. Stop hitting my line. If I'm not mistaken, it was almost in this exact spot that this happened earlier. Man, come on. Hit the frog. There you go, there's a frog. Oh, there we go. That's a good little fish. Ugh. Come here, baby. Oh, come here. Woo! She got my line that time. Stopped it. Boom. She hit. There we go. Nice little 2-pounder, 2.5-pounder. She's a good fish, man. There you go, baby. She's a beauty, man. There you go. Not a, huge fish, but after getting all those little dinkers, you little girl. Alright, we're back ashore, guys. No giants caught today. The hunt continues. And man, I cannot tell you how much I love doing this. Getting out and fishing is so much fun. Being able to be on the water, that alone is fun. Being on the kayak, I find that to be so therapeutic. It's interesting, And then you get that crazy burst of adrenaline out of nowhere. So, therapeutic and freaking rock and roll. I had to get back out here and do this again. It was just too much fun last time. And the fact that I saw that giant fish, it draws you back to it. Like, man, there's a giant there, I gotta get back. I know it's there. This won't be the last time I come here. We're on to new water after this. I don't know if it's gonna be on Guntersville. I don't know if it's gonna be on Wheeler. I don't know if it's gonna be on Smith. Maybe Pickwick. Coming up soon though, I'm gonna be leaving town, heading up to Tennessee. I'm gonna hit Chickamauga and Cherokee. I'm gonna make a series out of it. I'm gonna be sleeping in the car, posting videos, but yeah, Tennessee trip. You guys are coming with. I look forward to it. I look forward to it, period, man. Getting out and fishing is so much fun. I find so much joy in doing this. I really appreciate the views, guys. Small numbers, large numbers, it doesn't matter. It's awesome that people are watching my content. And I'm just gonna keep putting it out, man. If you guys enjoy the video, share it, man. Share it to your friends, tell them about it. If you like it, leave a comment, tell me what you liked about it, tell me what you didn't like about it. Give me suggestions for videos to do, like I've said before. But most importantly, subscribe, guys. Awesome content coming your way. And even hit the notification bells as well, guys. Be notified every time I put a video out. Yeah, I got nothing more. I appreciate the watch, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm signing out.